welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a warm, festive look for the holidays. I'm going to be starting off with a face mask. It's just a little sample of a face mask I have. And I'm just going straight into my eyebrows. I'm using my brow as always and just filling those eyebrows up and having them nicely shaped. Then I'm going to clean up with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer to this small little flat brush and getting that all nice and sharp underneath the brow. Now I'm just grabbing some more of that MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and priming my lids. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with Colorina Makeup Studio Neutral Matte Palette. I'm using this nice transition shade. These colors don't have like names, so just look at the palette and you can see what type of color it is. It's just like a nice peachy transition shade. And I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm using this nice color right, I believe. And I'm just applying that in the outer V of the eyes and blending it to my crease. So now I'm going to be grabbing some MAC Pro Longwear again and cutting my crease. And then I'm using the Love You So Mochi palette, and I'm grabbing this beautiful dark gold, light bronze color. It's just really pretty. And I'm just packing that shimmer onto my lid and following the cut crease I did. Then I'm using this brown gel liner and I'm just doing a straight line across my lid. Just, it's not too thick, not too thin, just like right there. And I'm grabbing the dark brown in the Modern Renaissance palette and applying that in my outer crease. Now just washing off that face mask, flawless, beautiful skin, moisture, you know, mask dry your face out, so just add some moisture on there. And I'm using some rosehip oil as well to just hydrate my skin and replenish my skin and all those good stuff. Okay, beautiful. Now I'm just gonna be using my Fit Me foundation and I'm just using a little sponge and stippling that in. I used a light layer. I did not felt that day like wearing too much foundation, so I'm just lightly covering my face with that foundation, grabbing the same concealer, applying a light layer first so I can just clean my outer corners, and then I just grabbed it with my finger and packed it in a triangular form down my nose and all the way up in my cheekbone. Now just to set my face, I'm using the CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir powder and sunning my under eyes and everywhere and whatnot where I get oily. To contour, I'm just using the Bahama Mama powder bronzer and just lightly sweeping that across my cheeks, cutting those cheekbones and my forehead, make it look smaller because I have a huge forehead which I just adore, you know. Just contouring that up and my cheeks and jawline because, you know, gotta get rid of that double chin. Just, you know, blurting that out with bronzer. Okay, now I'm using the NYX Contour Intuitive, one of their palettes. I'm using a blush from this palette. I'm using the highlighter as well. This gold, it's a really subtle, nice color. It's really pretty. It does not show up that well on camera, but you put a flash on that and girl, you be glowing and it looks beautiful. So, you know, just those highlight points, cupid's bow, nose, inner eye corners, brow bone, cheeks, you know, just glow everywhere. Now for the lower lash line, just grabbing some of that brown from the Modern Renaissance palette again, and, you know, just sweeping that across my lower lash and smoking it out lightly. Just curling my lashes here to get them all nice and up, using the Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I did not feel like using falsies, so that's why I'm just curling my lashes and applying loads and loads and loads of mascara. Make it look all nice and beautiful. Now for the lips, I'm going to be using Super Cliqué lipstick. I'll put the shade down below because I do not remember right now. I'll just put it in the description box. Just using that color. It's really pretty. It's like an old rose. I just love this color. It's beautiful. And that's the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I love you guys. Bye. Happy holidays.